Account health. When logged into the administrator portal, you can view the account health where you can see any issues with your account. There are 3 levels of alerts: error, warning, and info. There are several prompts that can be shown to administrators. Printer issues, such as having no queues configured. Embedded and edge device issues, such as not setting the embedded profile on a printer or the edge device is offline. Authentication issues, such as having no access control set. And license issues, such as a warning that your license is about to expire or it has expired. Clicking Solve takes you through to the relevant page for resolving the issue. In this, we are applying a new license key. When you return to the overview, click the Account Health button and the issue is resolved.